Wanted to just share a quick tip with you. I just did this about a year ago and I absolutely love it. I installed a shoreline, which is basically a plug. You see them on boats when they're on dock. And I put it on the outside of the trailer here, and it comes into this light switch. And then I powered this light switch to a strip cord, a power cord, and I installed a bunch of battery chargers. And when I get to a location where I'm going to be for a while, or even if I'm just working for the day, I plug into the main house for the main power, I plug into my shoreline, and then I can charge all of my batteries. I've got every battery that I own and operate. I got Milwaukee, DeWalt, and a dual charger for Makita. And it's a great tip. If you have a trailer, you should consider doing this. I held off for the longest time, and now I look back and go, why did I wait so long to do this? This is great. I still have chargers that I might bring in with me, especially if I'm on a second, third floor. But this is great, you know, when the trailer is sitting at my house or sitting at the job overnight, I have freshly charged batteries. Take care, guys.